Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's FanMoreMan here. This is a 2010 Hunter Strattford II 44-inch ceiling fan. Got this fan brand new from one of my old bedrooms in this house. The fan was taken down and replaced with a Hampton Bay Middleton because that's the fan my grandpa wanted, because it was a flush mount fan and it didn't wobble, and this one does. So it's now in my room. I've tried balancing kits and everything, and this fan just does not want to straighten out, so I just leave it alone. I usually only use it on medium for its highest speed because it's a really powerful fan. It usually runs on low updraft, and the fan's a really nice low. It runs on low updraft pretty much all the time, never gets turned off. It's been installed in my room for about 4 days now. It replaced a JMP manufacturing spinner, which is down there. I wanted a more powerful fan in here because you could just barely feel that JMP, and the bearings are getting loud. They're fixed now because once the fan was down, I was able to oil the bottom bearing, and that's the one that was making all the noise. So now the fan's quiet, and it's going to get put up in my laundry room. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.